Deep in the tropical forests of Hawaii lives an invasive creature that threatens the local ecosystem and community. It destroys agriculture, harms people and pets, and spreads quickly. So what is this threat? Meet the little fire ant. While this little guy might not seem like much, the power of this species comes in their numbers. 100 million ants can live on 1 acre alone. How do you stop the spread of a destructive species that grows so quickly? How? The Hawaii Ant Lab rose to the occasion. Their mission? To help stop the infestation and destruction of this formidable pest through research. Hal needed to pinpoint where these super colonies live so they can be eliminated. But how? The Hal team came up with a clever solution. They baited test tubes with jam and a mixture of Spam and peanut butter, and they placed these tubes about 20 feet apart from each other. And when it came time to collect the tubes, the lab team placed the ants under a microscope to see if their target species was inside. By placing a barcode label, not from the label experts, on these vials, the HAL team tracked exactly where these tubes were placed, allowing them to map out where little fire ants live. Their plan was working, but after they put the tubes in a week-long bath to sanitize them for the next study, they noticed something. The barcode labels were falling off. Without labels, they wouldn't be able to track where the ants lived in their next study. The lab team would have to relabel every single vial again. Not only would this be costly, it would be insanely time-consuming. Some of their geographic studies required over 1,000 test tubes, and if they continued to use these labels for future studies, this would likely mean thousands more labels being replaced. It seemed the ants were winning. If Hal continued with these labels, valuable time and resources would be wasted on printing and relabeling, all while little fire ants grew in numbers. The clock was ticking and not in Hal's favor. So, they reached out to the label experts, who offered up CryoLabel, a label made to withstand laboratory conditions like water baths. With CryoLabel, Hal now saves time and money on labels and can focus on their important research. Thanks to Hal's research, little fire ants have been eliminated from 175 acres on Maui. Today, Hal continues to control the spread of these pests through their research, education, and hands-on intervention. Do you have a unique labeling problem that requires a unique labeling solution? Contact the label experts today to see how we can help you.